Encontré un tremendo townhouse, tremendo deal en Gwinnett, en la ciudad de Lawrenceville. Aquí te lo dejo y te voy a presentar a mi amiga Verónica.
Welcome to Lennar Homes. I am Veronica Eggleton. We are so excited to have you. Lennar has been building beautiful new homes at an affordable price for over 70 years. Here at Rainwater Park, we offer convenient location, just minutes from I-85, shopping, dining, a diverse location, conveniently positioned where everything is included in the home. One-stop shop. Rainwater Park is a beautiful, intimate boutique-style community consisting of only 38 townhomes. We offer 2 beautiful floor plans, starting from 1831 square feet, being the Smyrna floor plan. Both homes will give you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Here at Rainwater Park, when you buy with Veronica, you are going to get exceptional incentives, builder-paid closing costs, below market interest rates, and you never know what other goodies we may have in store. Please come by and visit me. I would love to meet you in person, even if you stop in just to say hi. Whenever you do, make sure you ask for Veronica.
¿Qué te pareció, hermoso? Tremenda inversión en Lawrenceville. Townhouse hermoso, pequeño, no muy grande, pero esencial y todo nuevo, hecho por Lennar. Tremenda reputación de constructora.